Hi, my name's Graham from Stellison's at a new superstore in Ipswich, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our Panasonic WT65 series TVs. These TVs are slim, sleek and beautiful. They're not the basic sets in the range though, they do come slightly higher up, but you'll see why in a minute. We are getting a full 1080 panel, so the 1080 is a high resolution of HD, give you much better picture quality, so for your Blu-ray discs, your game consoles, they're going to look fantastic on this screen. We're also getting an IPS panel in there as well. What that means is we've got a full 178 degree viewing angle, so as we move round the set, from left to right, top to bottom, up to down, we're not getting colour bleeds, we're getting a better colour management system on there as well. We're also looking at an LED TV, as you would expect for this price bracket. Now this isn't just the standard LED TV, we have LEDs around the edge lighting the whole picture. Panasonic have given us something different with this. They've given us what they call local dimming. What this means is the screen is divided into 16 different sections, and then we can raise the brightness or dimness of the picture across the whole image. So if we've got a darker area like this, we don't want that washed out by the bright LEDs doing this lighter area. They will actually switch off this section and you get more detail and a better picture because of it. This TV is also 3600 Hz. What that means is we're getting a whopping refresh rate, so anything fast moving, so left to right, top to bottom, it's going to be much smoother. This doesn't only make a difference on your films and your sport, but it also on basic TV viewing. So if you're watching the news and you've got the text scrolling across the bottom, that's going to be much sharper and much more legible. And now we're going to look at the connectivity on the back of the set. Okay, so now for the connections. At the top, as with all other TVs, you've got the common interface slot. This is just the card for your pay-per-view channels. Nothing special there, just gives you unlocks your sport, your shopping channels and whatever else you want. Next across, we've got the SD card slot. This is for the SD card from your cameras and your camcorders. So any of the videos you've taken, any of the pictures you've taken while on holiday, you can show to the grandparents or your friends when they're around, and they can all enjoy that as a group activity. As we move down, we've then got 3 USB connections. One is for a hard disk drive, and this is so you can record directly from the TV itself without having to go through your Skybox or through a separate recorder. The other 2, again, are for USB devices, so you can view your photos, videos and so on and so forth. As we move down, we then got 3 HDMI connections. These are going to be for your high definition inputs, so your Sky HD box, your Blu-ray players, your games consoles. Below that, we've got a digital optical output. This is a standard audio output set, and this will take a 5.1 signal for your surround sound or to a sound bar or anything else to reinforce the sound from your TV. Now as we move across here, we're getting something slightly more interesting. This is an adapter for some leads you get in the box, which can actually give you connectivity for older connections. So if you've got a component or composite device, or even something which runs on SCART, you can run through this adapter and into the TV. The next 3 are all fairly obvious. You've got your standard aerial input, and you've got 2 satellite inputs, and we've got our Ethernet connection. The reason we have the Ethernet, even though the TV is wireless, you can also hardwire if the router's near the TV, and it'll give you a much better and more stable internet connection. Okay, this is a smart TV, but just going to have a brief look at the TV parts to begin with. Now, as we just covered, we've got Freeview and FreeSat high definition, so you can take your pick from best of both worlds. You can have one, the other, or both together. Do as you please. Then, with the remote control here, we've got nice big clear channel buttons for the numbers. We've got the volume up and down and a channel hopper. All very easy to get to, straight to the thumb, very simple. Then at the top here, we've got the guide button as well. If I press that, it brings up the guides on the sets, which as you can see we can move up and down. Very simple, very clear, very easy, and we just use the arrow keys at the top of the remote here to navigate our way around that. Now let's look at some of the smart features. The TV, as I said, has got Wi-Fi built in, so it can hook up directly to your router wirelessly, or if your router's near the set you can put an Ethernet cable into it as well. Now being a smart TV, you get a full internet web browser on there. You've also got BBC iPlayer, YouTube, Skype, Facebook, Twitter and various other applications. Now for the smart side of the set, they actually give us a separate remote control here. Similar to the other unit, we've got a volume up and down there nice and clear, and a channel hopper up and down, but we've also got this large pad in the middle here. This is a mouse pad, same as you'd get on your laptop. This allows you to navigate around web pages with the arrow, or move this yellow box around to the various apps we want to look at. But just above that, we've got a microphone, and we press the button here, we give it a command, so we say my home screen. this camera's going to pop up, it's going to take a picture of my face, so it knows it's me, it's going to jump straight to my home screen. The advantage of this is you can set one up for yourself, you can set one up for your wife, one up for your kids, your friends, and then you can jump to your home screen and have various applications set out which you prefer to use. You can have bookmarks there you prefer to go to of your favourite web pages, or you can have a combination of both, and you can also do with various applications and your channel listings down the side. So it is very simple to use, it is fast, it's got good quality processors in there. I highly recommend giving it a go. So in summary, what Panasonic have given us with the WT65 is a very good quality panel, fast refresh rate, good viewing angles, good contrast ratios, fantastic connectivity on the back, easy to use controls, easy to use remotes, nice big clear buttons, nice big clear guide on the set, and fantastic internet connectivity with personalised home screens as well. Thank you, we'll see you next time with another Stellarton's demonstration.